Hi, I'm Dr. Dorothea Schlesinger and I am a clinical endocrinologist. I own a clinical endocrinology practice in Berlin, Germany. This podcast is, however, separate to my clinical practice. It is a part of my desire to bring a zero cost information about hormones and endocrinology and how it all works together to the general public. So let me dive in. And today we're going to be talking about the latest research from New England Journal article published just recently. So what if I told you that actually the food on your plate is a complex chemical universe that is more intricate than possibly any drug that has ever been designed? And what if I told you that if we unlocked the secrets of that, it would really change the way we think about medicine and the way we approach medicine and healing? So focus, buckle up, because we're going to be diving deep into groundbreaking research from the New England Journal of Medicine that will actually change a lot what you know about food and how you think about food and your health. So the problem is that nutrition as such is at stake. We know that half of American adults actually suffer from diseases that are preventable. Those are heart disease, diabetes, or even cancer. And those diseases are directly linked to poor nutrition. And you know what? Might be funny to you, just going back to talking about money and capitalism. But it isn't just about health. The poor nutrition is really draining 173 billion annually from American economy only through obesity. Can you imagine? And what is the worst part? Indeed, over 500,000 deaths each year trace back to what we eat. So, what if we thought about food as a really precision medicine? What if we thought about food that isn't just carbs or protein? You should increase your protein intake. Oh, we all have heard those kind of advices from our doctors, nutritionists, fitness trainers. But think of it in a different way. There are thousands of bioactive molecules that are interacting like a symphony. Let me give you an example. An orange. Take an orange. An orange isn't just vitamin C, it's flavonoids, terpenes, and antioxidants working in a concert. Network science reveals these compounds target multiple pathways at the same time, unlike single action drugs. So, why drugs can't compete? As I've mentioned, drugs are usually and typically designed to target specific receptors, like a sniper. Food molecules, however, are networkers. They bind broadly to reshape the biology. And where is the synergy? The food chemicals amplify each other's effects. Think like turmeric and black pepper. We know that piperine boosts curcumin absorption by 2000%. So, what's the point of turning food into treatment? Number one, we could potentially reverse disease development. Adopting the right diet slashes genetic heart disease risk by 50%, which is partially even outperforming the drugs that are on the market. Number two, personalized nutrition. Network medicine maps how your unique biology responds to food combinations. Isn't that fascinating? And future tech like single cell gradient testing, which was developed at Harvard, will indeed optimize diets like drug cocktails. So remember, you're not a victim of your genes, you are actually the CEO of your biology. If you can optimize your business, you can really optimize your body. And you need to stay healthy in order to run your business. So I want you to do this one thing this week. Cut one processed food this week, just this week. Don't do anything else, just one processed food this week. And replace it with a whole food alternative. Example, let me give you an example. Switch to berries over candy. Number two, I want you to think about food in a different way. I want you to think about food this week as a data driven medicine. Stop seeing food as fuel, see it as data driven medicine. Track how your energy, focus, and mood changes. So, why does it even matter? You might ask. Drug trials fail because they ignore food's synergistic power. The future is food first therapeutics. I truly believe that. And the New England Journal Medicine study tries to explain it, that your diet is one of the most powerful drugs. So don't wait for the right pill. Start at the basic level and reclaim your plate. Every meal, imagine that, every meal is a vote for your future, of your health. So cast your wisely.